Here is the kitchen and the food. The fruit. Spaghetti courtesy of Auntie Baby. Let's just land by Mama. Buko pandan salad. Bami. Shrimp. Paeg. Ginamay, I don't know. Sa pork and something. Ham. I don't know, ham. Let's roll the table. Hamonada. Hamonada pineapple. Paa. Kumba. Puto cheese. Biko. Yeah, that's it. Muna mo pagkaon, ate. Yeah. It's called medianoche.
What's that?
Midnight meal. What's that? I don't know what that means. It's kind of midnight means. Yeah, muna siya. Sige, te. Next time, ikaw na mo. Every bite, I will say. Sige. Bye-bye. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Magusog na ka na, te. Sige, bye-bye. Bye-bye.